What up, YouTube? This is your boy, Director D Will. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Today's video is going to be a real quick video. I wanted to show you guys something that I've learned on the Maschine. If you've been following me so far, I'm learning how to produce on the Maschine, Maschine Studio to be exact. But it took me a while to figure it out. It's pretty easy to do this, to set the root note of the key that you're trying to, of the sample in like Fruity Loops and other DAWs and stuff. But for Maschine, it took me a while to figure it out. Maybe, excuse me, maybe for other people it's probably easy, but for me, it took me a minute. See, this track, I'm working on a track right now. It's called Sleep Church. The track is in C minor. That's very important. That means that I'm creating a track all in C minor, right? And my 808 right here is in D. So if I come over here to this little button right here, I don't know what that button is. It's like a little squiggly line. This one right here, you see me hovering over it. If you go to that, you click on that and you hit on zone. This is extremely important. You see that this key of the 808 is in D sharp or D flat, whatever that is. I call it the D hashtag because I'm not really cool with music theory, so I call it D hashtag. But that's important because whenever you open this up, when you go right here, you open this up, like I'm gonna go to another sound, right? I'm gonna go over here to my drum kit. Lex drums. Let's go to my kick. Where's my kick? Doesn't matter. What if I go to something else? You see, it's automatically set to C. The root key is C, and it's set by default like that in Maschine. So if you're trying to tune an 808, then you're gonna have to make sure you change the root key to whatever the root key to whatever it says the 808 is. So if you're tuning that 808 and it's at D flat, then you need to make sure this root note is on D flat. Or when you go to play it on Maschine and do the chords in the pad mode where it assists you, then your 808 won't sound good. It won't be in key because it believes that it's in C. It's the key of C by default. And it's not C, it's D flat. And you got to set that. You got to set that root note. So whenever you make any changes on Maschine or you try to play it out, then it's going to sound good no matter what. See, that's gonna go with the music because I got this I got it set to C minor, so it's in the scale of C minor on Maschine, and no matter what I play, that 808 is gonna be in tune because I set the root note to D right here, so it's gonna be in key on this whenever I play it. But man, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give that tidbit because it was racking my brain trying to figure that out. I was like, yo, how in the heck do I set the root note, the root key? So whenever I change the key on Maschine, it'll sound like the 808 is in tune. It took me a minute to figure. Oh, also I figured out how to tune 808s inside of Maschine. Other people probably already know this, but if you go over here, open up an instance of, where is it at? Guitar rig. This is the easiest way I figured out how to, oh man, it's gonna go through all this stuff. I just upgraded to complete 12 ultimate, so it's like reading everything. Hurry up thingy, hurry up, hurry up. I'm gonna fast forward this part in the video. About time. All right, so I got Guitar Rig open. So Guitar Rig has its own tuner, right? So you make sure, all right, so you open up Guitar Rig as a plugin on whatever your 808 you have. And whenever you play it, it should pick it up. So there we go. You see that it's picking it up, it's in C. That's because I changed the root note and then I changed the key to C minor. So it's playing it in the right key. But that's how you know what key your 808 is in. You open up Guitar Rig and you figure out which, you open up Guitar Rig and then you just and then you hit that tuner button right here and play it out, and it'll tell you, oh, that's in C. But yeah, so Yeah, man, these are just little tidbits that I'm learning as I go through the Maschine and as I unravel this amazing piece of hardware. Yo, this Maschine is like it's this is a godsend. This thing is awesome. If you ain't got Maschine, go get Maschine. And they're not paying me to say that. Like Maschine is the truth. I produce with Fruity Loops. I tried it with not Native Instruments. Of course, I'm on Native Instruments now. I tried it with Cubase, and nothing really stuck with me. But Maschine, man, they makes it really easy for you to learn how to produce and make music. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys for tuning into my video. Be creative, be awesome. Don't let anybody stop you from doing your thing. You know what I mean? Deuces until next time.